everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jane Magante of Erisim Realty. Today, I'm so excited to take you on a tour of this stunning property located along Tagaytay Santa Rosa Road, owned by one of our loyal buyer and now a good friend. Join me and get ready to explore every corner of this humble home. So sit back and let's dive into this house tour together. This property is in a gated subdivision located at Barangay Hoyo, Silang, along Tagaytay Santa Rosa Road. To the right, few minutes away, you will be in Tagaytay, and to the left, few minutes away, you will be at Nuvali. Nearby places are Nuvali, SNR, Ayala Mall Solinad, Paseo Outlets, South Forbes Golf Club. Schools, we have AUP, Chiang Kai-shek College, PNPA, St. Scholastica's College at West Grove, Hospital, Qualimed, Medical City, and in Tagaytay Medical Center. Okay, let's start. This is our neighbors. We have mountain view. Okay, so this is our house. Corner lot, fully furnished. And this is facing east. Yan, ang ganda po ng location natin dito, guys. Okay, lot area is 195 square meters. Floor area approximately 190 square meters. 4 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, and 1 powder room. This house constructed last December 2020. Reason for selling? Cause the owner will be migrating to US. Napaka-presko po dito dahil ayan maraming halaman at syempre facing east tayo. Kahit tanghali hindi siya mainit. Okay, let's check the house. So mag-start po tayo dito sa ating parking area. So this parking can fit 2 cars. Dahil malaki nga yung space natin, naglagay siya dito ng playroom. Yan, we have billiards and we have mini bar. And also, meron din tayong mini table soccer. Ayan, so ayan yung ating mini bar. May access door tayo going inside. And then, this is the front of the house. This is the main door. At ayan, maganda dito kasi naka-landscape tong harapan, may garden, and we have mini koi pond. Receiving area. Then, ang ganda talaga dito guys kasi napaka-presko. Ayan kung nakikita nyo yung hangin. Talaga, as in kahit 12 noon, hindi mo mararamdaman yung init dito. Dahil nga dito sa kanyang marami siyang halaman. Dito sa side of the house, meron siyang lanay. And then, visitors area din dito guys. So, maganda to, banding area, visitors, receiving area. And yung door na nakikita nyo sa harapan, so ginawa niya yung office. Okay, with grills, ang ating sliding door. So let's check inside. Ang ganda ng ating office room dito with aircon. Meron kang sarili mong working space dito. Or kung hindi naman kailangan ng office space, pwede rin siyang gawing room. Dahil kompleto din, ayan, meron tayo ditong, ayan, nilagyan niya rin ng bed. Landscape garden. Very relaxing etong ating mini garden dito. This is the main door. Okay, let's check the house. This is the living area. Fully furnished na to ha, fully furnished. So, lilipat ka na lang dito. Wala ka nang iisipin pa. At saka, ang gaganda ng gamit dito, guys. This is the dining area. And this is the kitchen. Again, we're complete. Ito naman door na to is a dirty kitchen and the laundry. Ito yung laundry area and dirty kitchen. Okay, that door is the access going to the office room and garden. This door naman is the powder room. Ayan, we have bedroom on the ground floor. Ayan. So, eto ang maganda dito kasi nga, meron tayong senior. So, talagang pinili na itong bahay na to kasi meron siyang bedroom dito sa ground floor. And, ayan din ang toilet and bath. So, kompleto na tayo dito with cabinets, bed, aircon. This is the bedroom 1 on the ground floor. Sa mga naghahanap ng meron tayong bedroom on the ground floor, this is it. Okay, let's go upstairs. Staircase window. Wow! So, itong maganda dito kasi yung natural light, don't need na laging open yung mga ilaw mo kasi maliwanag siya. So, dito sa second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Oh, this is a family area. Okay, so dito sa second floor, maganda kasi kahit nagkakaribok tayo sa baba, may visitors ka, meron ka pa ring space dito. And yung sliding door na yan is going to the balcony. So yes, maganda dito may balcony guys. Kasi pwede ka rin ditong magbisita dito or if you want to relax. Dito kasi, yan, upo ka lang dyan. Meron ka dyang mountain view. Medyo mataas kasi itong ating lugar pa dito guys. Kaya maganda yung view dyan. Kaya naglagay sila ng upuan dyan. Pwede ka mag-coffee kahit gabi or umaga. So this is the master's bedroom. And so guys, yung bed dito sa master's bedroom, dito kasama. Okay, this is the, except this. And then there's, yan, may aircon tayo. Siyempre, yung mga personal things, siyempre, hindi siya kasama. We have toilet and bath. So, eto. Ang maganda dito guys, we have walk-in closet here. Yes. And then, eto yung ating toilet and bath. So, malaki yung space ng kanyang toilet and bath. And then, yeah, may bathtub pa siya, heater. This is the bedroom 3. So again with aircon. And nilagyan niya ng double bed dito. Then this is the bedroom 4. Yan, again with aircon. Maliwanag siya kasi maraming windows. Anyway, hindi lang na-open yung door na yon, meron tayong small balcony doon. Yan, bali itong 2 rooms na to, may access dyan sa balcony na yan. And then this is the common toilet and bath here on the second floor. Okay, let's recap. This is a fully furnished corner lot house constructed last December 2020. And this is facing east with a lot area of 195 square meters and floor area approximately 190 square meters, 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath and 1 powder room. Car garage that can fit 2 cars with balcony. And price is 13.9 million net. Okay, if you're interested on this property, just message or call me on the contact number shown on the screen. So, before we end this house tour, I would appreciate if you could give this a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining me in this house tour. Stay tuned for future updates. Thank you!